Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have learned about S3 services of AWS. In this video, we're gonna learn about what basically EC2. So before jumping directly into EC2, what is EC2? EC2 is something called Amazon services that provide a virtual device, and it's a virtual environment for the developer or any person who want to run or test their model before deploying their whole code and their model to the mainstream. So that's provide a virtual environment for it can be Windows, it can be Ubuntu or any other operating system. Some of them are free, you have to pay for, like if you want a particular desired virtual environment, then you have to pay for that. Otherwise it's provide a certain amount of free space and certain free OS also. So yeah, and the full form of EC2 is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Yeah, without wasting time, let's see how we have to create an instance for EC2. First, go and search EC2 here, EC2. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, go to services, and the first one is EC2. And otherwise, I have recently visited EC2, so I will directly click this EC2. These are the three methods you can use here. So click this instance running. So if you see here, and there is no instance running here. If I cancel this, we have some instances, so it's stopped and somehow terminated. So we don't have to think about that. We have to click launch instances, and as I have told you that there are some instances that's called virtual things. Instances are nothing but a virtual environment I'm talking about. So it's a free tier eligible. So if I click free tier eligible, all the free thing will come here. And if I want a free Windows server 2019 base, so I click the select button here. It will load here, and I will let it be default itself t2.micro. I will click next, configure instance detail. In this public auto assign public IP, I will click enable here, and other thing will remains the same. I will click next, add storage. It will be remain as it is. Add tag, so tag are optional, so it doesn't need it. We doesn't need to give an tag here. So yeah, create new security group or create an existing one. So I don't want to change it here. And if you have SSD here, just try to change at RDP. So I have used RDP here. So go, protocol is TCP, and go and review and launch. So you can review before that. So RDP is nothing but it is relational database and protocol. So just launch this part, and I have already key. If you don't know how to create a new pair of keys, you have to just go here, create a new pair, and you directly have to download that PEM file. There is PEM file will be there, and just click this acknowledged, and that I'm acknowledging that I have this key here. I will click launch instance, and it will take some time, and I can see here if I click this button, and I will see that my instance is pending, and it will take a while to connect. So yeah, I cancel this, and see here it's showing me this pending. So before that, I can give some name here. I want to give like Windows Virtual and save this. As you can see that now my instance is running. I will click this instance here, and you can see that we doesn't have connect button till now. So I will go back to my instance here. I will directly click this part, and I will do connect. As we have to do RDP client. So if you don't know what do you mean by RDP, remote desktop, so if you type here remote, so remote desktop connection will pop up here. So we have to use this thing here. So but the problem is, before if I want to click get password here, so it will ask me if I have created RDP right now, I have to wait for 4 minutes to retrieve this password. So I will wait here for the 4 minutes, and I will get back to you as soon as I get the password. Yes, we have completed our 4 minutes, and as you can see that it's asking for key1. So I will browse that key1. As I have told you, I have key1.pem here. So I will browse that, and I will click decrypt my password. So it will show like this public DNS, user ID, and this password. So I will copy this DNS, and I will go here, and as I have told you, just click this bottom and type remote. So if you enter this one, and it will ask you to print the DNS local DNS. So I will Control V this part and enter, connect this. So as you can see, that is asking me something, my user. So you don't have, if you have already logged into your Windows security, you don't have to enter your password. Just click this use a different account here, and just copy this here, username, and I will go here and paste my username. I will go to password, I will copy the password, and I will paste this password here, and I will click OK. So it will ask me, do you want to like activate this part or not? So I will click yes. So it will take a little while and to ready this whole virtual environment for you. So as you can see that it started, it's administrator now, and it will take a while for launching everything. So yes, as you can see that this is our virtual environment in which we can like download anything, any code from the GitHub, or just click no here. And if you doesn't trust me that this is a virtual device, just go and minimize it, and it's the same thing how we used to do in like VirtualBox. If you know what I'm talking about, VirtualBox, we have the same thing. You have to install a third-party app to get the virtual device. You can directly use the AWS cloud services to get this part, and you can deploy, model, everything you can do in a single AWS cloud system. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and meet you in the next video. Thank you, and have a nice day to all.